Sanam. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and here is the best meditation that I've encountered for helping to relax and get to sleep really quick. There are a couple of key components. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're sitting comfortably. And in order to do that, you can sit on a chair, you can sit on the sofa, you can sit with your back against the wall if you're sitting on the floor. Find a way to really help yourself sit comfortably with a tall, straight spine. That's number one. Number two is we're using breath, and that is a very interesting breath. It's inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. This is a cooling response and an idea and a way of relaxing the body. It sends a signal to our nervous system to just chill. And then third of all, we're using a mudra. Mudra is a hand position, and this hand position allows us to feel comforted, safe, and contained. Let's do that together now. So finding your tall, straight spine, and then bringing your hands together so that the heels of your hands touch. Bring your thumbs together. So line up your thumbs against each other, and then draw your left fingers down, curling them in, and then bring your right fingers over top of the left. Glue your fingers, your thumbs against your hands, and really hold this mudra in a very relaxed way. Shoulders are relaxed, elbows are relaxed. And now with your eyes closed, we can begin. So I'm going to keep my eyes open, but you can just go ahead and relax now. Inhale very deeply. And through the mouth, make a little small hole. And as you exhale through the mouth, blow through that little opening between your two thumbs. Inhale very deeply and exhale. Let's do this 5 times together. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Last 2. And relax. Relax your hands all the way down. And just sit for a moment, tall, straight spine. Relax, notice your body, notice how you're feeling now after spending just 3 minutes on your breath and on a graceful and relaxing mudra. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and this is Kundalini Yoga for Leadership and Impact. See you next time.